Welcome to the top best. The best hitch carrier is probably one of the most versatile and practical accessories you can add to your vehicle, instantly expanding your cargo capacity for road trips, camping adventures, or simply hauling bulky gear that won't fit inside, transforming your car into a true workhorse ready for any journey without sacrificing precious interior space or compromising passenger comfort, making every excursion more convenient and stress-free. Number 5. Mockins Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier with Waterproof Bag. Need more room for your gear? This heavy-duty steel carrier attaches to your vehicle's hitch, supporting up to 500 pounds. Its robust design and corrosion-resistant finish ensure it can handle anything from camping supplies to construction materials, season after season. Unlike generic bags, its precision-fit design perfectly matches the carrier, preventing sagging. Crafted from abrasion-resistant vinyl with waterproof zippers, it creates a secure, climate-controlled vault for your belongings. This ensures your gear stays protected from road spray, rain, and winter salt. Stay street legal with its integrated license plate bracket and high-visibility reflectors. Its raised arm design provides ample ground clearance for various vehicles. When not in use, it conveniently folds up, making parking a breeze. Say goodbye to clunking and swaying. It includes a hitch stabilizer and lock, ensuring a rigid, rattle-free connection to your vehicle. With the included bungee net and straps, your payload remains immobile and secure, even on winding roads. Engineered for long-term travel, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty and US-based support. This ensures structural integrity and peace of mind for all your journeys. It's truly built to last, providing reliable hauling for years to come. What we like. This carrier offers a complete hauling solution, including a waterproof bag and robust safety features. Its foldable design adds convenience for storage. If you are looking for an all-in-one package with great peace of mind, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Heavy-duty hitch mount cargo carrier folding rack. This carrier features heavy-duty steel construction. Its matte black powder coating finish resists the elements, rust, and scratches, ensuring durability for years to come. Its mesh surface prevents smaller items from falling through. The 14.4-inch raised tubular side rails keep your cargo secure, preventing it from jolting or sliding randomly during transit. Driving in challenging conditions can be dangerous. This rack is equipped with 2 red reflectors to significantly enhance your visibility and safety at night. It fits easily into any 2-inch trailer hitch opening. With a 500 pounds distributed weight capacity, it handles heavy loads when weight is evenly distributed. This carrier offers an extra-large size and capacity. It's perfect for hauling additional cargo bags, camping equipment, luggage, and much more on your adventures. What we like. Built with heavy-duty steel, this carrier provides exceptional durability and stability. Its mesh surface and high side rails keep your cargo secure. If you prioritize rugged construction and reliable containment for your gear, this model is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Mockins 60 by 20 by 6 Folding Luggage Rack and 20 CUFT Cargo Bag. Move the mess outside with this cargo solution. It acts as a heavy-duty external basement for your vehicle, supporting 500 pounds of bulky gear. By shifting items to it, you'll free up passenger legroom and improve air circulation inside your vehicle during long expeditions. Don't let the forecast dictate your travel plans. The included weatherproof cargo bag is a fortress against the elements, utilizing abrasion-resistant vinyl and heat-sealed seams. Its waterproof zippers are protected by a rain flap, ensuring your belongings stay bone-dry through highway downpours. This folding luggage rack is engineered with a 2-inch shank rise to solve the scraping problem on steep driveways or off-road trails. When you reach your destination, its foldable arm allows it to tilt up vertically, parallel to your vehicle, reducing your footprint for easy parking. Compliance is built in, not an afterthought. It includes a dedicated license plate bracket and high-visibility reflectors to avoid costly fines. The kit also features a hitch stabilizer and a locking pin to eliminate clunk and sway, paired with an expandable bungee net to keep loose items immobile. This is a professional-grade logistics rack finished with a grit-resistant powder coating to stop rust before it starts. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty and US-based technical support, it is the definitive choice for cross-country moves, overlanding adventures, or seasonal work. What we like. This option stands out with its larger 20 cubic feet cargo bag and smart low-clearance design. It ensures your belongings stay dry and provides extra ground clearance. If you need maximum storage capacity and worry about scraping on inclines, this is the one for you. What people say. Number 2. BAGMATE 19 cubic 50-car roof cargo carrier. Get ready for your next journey with this spacious car roof cargo carrier. It offers 19 cubic feet of storage, keeping all your essentials securely out of the way. Now you can relax and enjoy the open road. Don't let bad weather stop your plans. This car roof storage bag is 100% waterproof, protecting your belongings from snow, sun, or sleet. Its coated tarpaulin and reinforced zippers ensure everything stays safe and dry. Enjoy peace of mind with a cargo carrier designed with safety in mind. Unlike other bags, this one includes 4-door hooks that secure it without interfering with your car's airbags. Your items will stay firmly in place throughout your trip. This versatile rooftop cargo box fits any car, with or without roof racks. You can easily fasten its door hooks around existing racks or latch them securely into the car's interior. It's perfect for SUVs and any other vehicle. Clear up valuable space in your vehicle and your mind. This product offers enduring quality, designed to enhance your upcoming road journey. Experience an unparalleled adventure with everything you need. What we like. This unique rooftop bag offers incredible versatility, working with or without a roof rack. Its 100% waterproof design protects your items from any weather. If you don't have a hitch receiver or prefer rooftop storage, this is your ideal solution. What people say. Number 1. GarveeTech 500 LBS Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier. Need to transport heavy gear? This carrier is engineered to support up to 500 pounds, ensuring you can move your loads with ease and confidence. With generous dimensions of 53 by 19 by 6 inches, it offers ample space for all your gear. This makes it perfect for car camping, traveling, and various outdoor adventures. Designed for versatility, it fits any vehicle equipped with a 2-inch receiver. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, or car, it provides a reliable solution for all your hauling needs. It's incredibly practical for camping, traveling, and all your outdoor activities. You can easily bring along everything you need for your next adventure. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with a user manual for straightforward assembly, making it convenient to get ready for all your hauling needs. What we like. This carrier provides a straightforward, heavy-duty solution for your hauling needs. It boasts a 500-pound capacity and universal fit for 2-inch receivers. If you need a reliable, no-frills cargo basket that's simple to set up, this is a great practical choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.